legitimate unboxing video. So forgive the background here, kind of just standing. But what I got today is the PeohZarr True Wireless Earbuds Model T50. So already it's relatively nice unboxing. So in this little package, you get a carrying bag, not branded, so that's actually, and user manual, blah 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 blah. In the package, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get a little closer. Got a few sides of your tips. You got your charging cable. You got your charging block, like micro USB. That's a little settling. Either way, continue with it. And then we have the earbuds. They do have charge. So I will be grabbing my phone, pairing them up. Price 50. Alright, and they're paired up. So let's see the fit test. Feel pretty good. Don't know if you guys can see them. Head shake works fine. Gotta test out some. The Spotify. Ooh, stereo. Nice. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. No, you won't unless I lower that, will you? Can I put up the gain a little bit? Either way, they sound great. Alright, and I am back. For me, it's been a day. For you guys, it's been a couple seconds. Basically, to follow up, I've been testing out the earbuds. Right now, you see I'm only using one at a time. That's because I actually need to be able to hear myself. Because the noise cancellation is just too damn great on these earbuds. So basically, they look nice. They actually really do. They've got this nice little spiral design. Now you do use Bluetooth 5.0, so anything you got is Bluetooth. It'd be backwards compatible, I believe. And you do have the 2600 milliamp hour charging case. Now, can be used as a battery bank. You have a IPX8 waterproofing level. If you sweat, you're not gonna get the sweat into them and destroy it. So that's great. And it's all in all, they're great. Now I will say, These are not the greatest for video viewing, at least where you're seeing someone talking, because it is off by more than a manageable margin. Now, being said, if you're using them what I'm using them for, basically music listening, I don't need it because of what I'm using for video viewing. But I do use it for music listening, and it is superb for that. Great audio quality, everything like that. What I do like about these is you can use them one at a time, and the other one isn't being used. It's right in here, just chilling, being charged if it's dead. So, ultimately, if you like to hear what's around you, or you want to have uninterrupted listening, basically just put one in, and it dies in 3 to 4 hours. Put the other one in, put this one to charge, and then you've got another 3 to 4 hours, and by then it should be charged again. Other than that, I think that's... Oh yeah, getting the functionality. Now, for functionality. Alright, so I've got this playing here. If I go to one tap, a little finicky, but if I one tap it, it pauses it. Come on. It's paused, but yeah. And if I tap it again, it's unpaused. If I double tap, it pulls up the Google Assistant. Now, being said, you do have to give it you have to do firm taps. It's not like you can go like that and it'll register. Now, if I hold it, depending on which one I hold, it'll change the song, either previous or next song. I don't want Audio Machine, I want Halo. Basically, yeah, nice usability. I have 0 complaints, and for, what was it? And for $30 on Amazon, yeah, I have no complaints whatsoever. And if you want to buy a great pair of $30 earphones, by all means. I will say, as much as the small little rubber piece fits great in my ears, and it is really small. It's a lot smaller than any others you'll get. But as much as that worked, I actually mutilated the large ones a bit so I could get it even more comfortably in my ear, because I do have very small ear canals. So it is difficult for me to find earbuds that actually don't hurt. But these were, and I didn't have to mutilate the large ones. I could have used the small ones and would have been fine. Just my choice. By all means, if you don't want to mutilate your sizing, don't. That's your choice. I do me. But yes, if I wanted to have it on these, it would be perfect. Either way, that is the thing about it, especially with the shape they're in. They're in such a shape that whatever size you decide, edges will always bend up, and it won't be like a bulge. It just goes flat. So they're the most comfortable design I've ever used. I will say that. But yeah, I guess there is not much more I can say. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Review on this guy, this lovely guy, will be up shortly after this one. So, stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't, so you can get notified of that. Now, unfortunately, you're having to hit the notification bell and toggling it to all notifications, because hitting the bell wasn't enough, because subscribing wasn't enough. I don't know, YouTube's being kind of stupid. I really think that, not saying a female CBO would be a bad thing, just not the one they got. Yeah. So yeah, as always, it's been Dark Horde, this hasn't been gaming, and I will see you next time. Peace out.